So many reminders have come during this period of time. Probably we forget when we were in lockdown, how did people's life and how much of adjustments did one have to make? What was totally abnormal now became something like we have to treat as normal. What was the condition of many people that for the first time probably they now had to have meetings, downloading an app. For the first time, how many of us even heard about Zoom meetings? So people's life changed only because a pandemic, a virus which had an impact on millions of people around the globe, in the world. Now people have to make adjustments. So instead of your daily routinal normal activity as you would normally go out to work, people now are sitting at home, working from home. People now don't have to commute. People now, there were those who found that they started taking great enjoyment from this period of lockdown. And on the other hand, there were those whom suffered more pain, more depression, anxiety, stress. How many people in the state of depression during the lockdown period? But see how their life changed and see how much adjustments one had to make. So here again, we come out of the lockdown, we forget about the COVID period, the virus, and then there was a time where people were really keen on taking the vaccination, and then people felt that this is the only way that we can continue living our life in this dunya. Yes, indeed. So much of fear, anxiety, apprehension, that there was a time we should say, even non-Muslim would say, oh my God. But now, instead of saying, oh my God, what do they say? Omicron. You heard of Omicron? So something to this, that this is the reality how people's life have changed. There is always that fear, and it is how it is portrayed in the media, that a people will become so scared. And one of the reasons why we are sent also this reminder, the moment we leave and we abandon a teaching of the message of the messengers,